Hello again. In previous lecture, what we did, we created our land book design, right? It's here, and let's click for another one, Lord of the Rings. As you see, our book name is here, and also what we need to do, we need to make a choice for our member, right? And the land book. What we need to do here, let's remove this colon and that one also, and also I want to move this button somewhere here on the left side, okay? And also what we need to do that, here I will go back to is here, our gbook class is here. For the button, let's remove here colons first. That one is another one. Also for button, x value will be 240 is fine, I think. And if I run my application again now, crime and punishment is fine. Maybe more 10 pixels will be better, so even 20 is fine now. And so what I need to do, I need to create a function, right, for my when I hit this button. So I will say here command equals, let's say, self dot land book. Okay, this is our definition name. To that, what I need to do, I will create this definition, and here I will say here def land book. Okay, and here what I need to do, firstly I need to get my book name and also my member name, right? And here I will say book name, a variable, equals self dot book name dot get. Okay, book name dot get my variable name, right? And after that, for member name, I will say member name equals self dot member name dot get. Okay, and now what I need to do, I need to here insert into my table, right, these values. Which table? Let me run our let me go back to my database, and here library, our table name is, it's here, borrows. Okay, and the fields, for the fields, borrow ID is okay. This is auto increment, so we need to change b book ID and also b member ID, right? So here what I need to do, I will say if, again I need to check, okay, if book name and member name not equals none. Okay, and here what I will say, try first, and after accept. For accept, let's say for now pass. Okay, for try, what I will do, I will say, and to create my query first, my query will be insert into borrows, right? And here, by the way, I need to use quotes here, single quotes, borrows. Okay, and here what I need to do, I need to use here parentheses, and the first one will be b book ID, and second one will be my member ID, b member ID, borrowed book ID, borrowed member ID. Okay, or something like that, b means. Okay, and after that, what I need to do here, I need to say values. For values, I need to use here 2 question marks, right, 1 and 2. And after that, what I need to do here, I will say cursor dot execute and my query, right? And second one will be my variable names. The first one is book name, second one is my member name. Okay, and what I need to do, I need to use here con.commit. Okay, and here if everything fine, what I need to use, I need to use a message box here, and I will say message box is something like that. Let me go back to top, and here we need to use here import from TTK, from tkinter, right, from tkinter import message box, right? It's fine. Now we can create our message box, and here I would say message box dot show info. Okay, and I will say here success, and here I will say success fully added to database or message, something like that. And we can use icon will be info icon. And after that, what I need to do here what we need to do, we need to here also update our books. Why is like that? Let me run show my database here. Now our library database is here, right? And our books, remember, we have also a field here. Its name is book status. This one is by default it is 0. So if I lend this book to someone, that means I also need to update this value. Okay, and because it is 0. And here what I need to do, we already insert into this table, right? But also we need to update our book status. And here what I need to do, I need to say here cursor dot execute. Okay, and this time I will use update books set book status equals question mark. Okay, and here I will say where book ID equals question mark. Okay, and after that, here what I will say, I will say 1. Okay, because I will set it as 1 because it is already 0, right? And after that I need to also use self dot book ID. Okay, and after that, what I need to do here, something wrong, let me check. It's fine. And again I need to use here com.commit. Okay, I will use com.commit again, and it's fine, but this is for if. Also we need to create, this is for if. Also let's create for else. Our else statement will be else here, and I will say message box dot show error. Okay, and the first parameter first will be error, this is our title. Second one will be fields can't be empty. Okay, and also let's use icon, warning icon. Okay, and something wrong here, icon equals. Okay, it's fine now. And also I want to use a message box for my except statement. Here I will use except, this is not a fields empty, this time it will be something wrong, so I will show can't add to database. That's all. If I run my application now, say if everything is fine, crime and punishment. Look, now this book is available status. Okay, I will click it and my book is here. I will lend it to David. Okay, and I will say lend book successfully added to database. Now let's check. Now this is available. Da Vinci Code, crime and punishment. As you see now, it says not available. Okay, this is also very important. We also updated our list. And what is next now? What we need to do, we need to create a new function. Actually, now the new function, we are going to create a new Python file for give book button. Okay, to that, what I need to do, I will go back to the my main.py, and here let's say give book is here. So what I will do, I will create here command property, and I will say self dot give book. Okay, this is my definition name. And what I need to do now, I need to create this definition, right? And here I will come and say def give book. Okay, and sorry, is capital, so say def give book. And here for now I will say pass. Okay, So what I need to do now, I need to create that Python file. Okay, give book. This is okay. And after that, what I need to do, I need to go back to top, and here I need to import give book. Okay, and here what I need to do, let's copy this, guys. Okay, for givebook.py, paste it here, remove this one. We need message box is fine, we need it. And after here, what I need to do, I will create a new class for this file. So how can I do that? I will go back to my givebook class. Okay, it's here. It will be very similar. So I will copy all of it, okay, and paste it here. So what I don't need here, I don't need here my global given ID. Okay, I will remove this one because my button functionality is different. Okay, that's why I don't need given ID, global variable. Here, what is next? What I need to do, and I need to come here, find my function, right? It's here. So I will create a new instance, and I will say give book. This is my instance name, and my instance equals Python file and give book class name. Okay, and now it's fine. If I run my application, I will see my window. Let's run it. Give book. As you see now, our window is here. So what we need to solve here, we need to say here for the title give book, and also there are some problems about our combo boxes. Let's go back to here and find our text. Here, say land the book. Okay, and here I will remove this one because I don't need it. Okay, and what is next? It's fine actually, everything. And now also I need to create here self.book ID. So how I can create this ID? Self.book ID is going to be my book name dot split by dash, and here I need to use first index, right? Because this is the name is like here, book name is like one dash crime and punishment, something like that. So the ID is at first index. Okay, if I split it, and now it's also fine. If I run my application, I can see that. And now give book, you see books here, and all the books is here, members is also here, but there is a small problem here. Now check it. Here the crime and punishment was not available, right? Let's check it here. Crime and punishment not available. I list all the books here. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to list only available books. Okay, this is very important. So how can I solve this problem? To do that, I will go back to my givebook.py, and here I will say for the query select star from books, but here I will use where statement, and I will say where book status equals 0. 0 means the available books. Okay, the books are in library. Okay, now it's fine. If I run my application now and give book is here, books, you see crime and punishment is not here. So the Cyberstorm is available, right? I will say land it to Kate, land book. Now let's go back to the here Cyberstorm, not available. You see the origin or DaVinci Code is available. Let's go back to here, DaVinci Code is available, member Kate, again land book. Now if I go back to DaVinci Code, you see not available. And we finished our application and we learned many things. I hope also you like this application. For now that's all. See you in the next.